Autocad tutorial efficiency for engineering and architecture's aspiring students. Background of the study. Engineers and architects work simultaneously together as they work on different projects that coincide with infrastructure, buildings, and functional establishment. As it is a part of their obligation as professional, students with engineering or architectural undergraduate degree practice their drafting skills. Be it as may, they first study that may basic includes in drafting. Undergraduate students now are given an opportunity to practice drafting skills electronically with the help of the software called Autocad. AutoCAD is a helpful software that help professionals in their draft a certain project. According to Software 2016, AutoCAD has over user-friendly interface software that can enter to the drafting needs of professional and comes with the large parts, features, and simplified parts and tools. As a student who will enter college for the next academic year, the researchers introduced an AutoCAD tutorial for students who have plans in pursuing their dreams, either the two college courses. The researcher believes that enforcing this tutorial will benefit the student as they are introduced to the basic of the software, thus having an advanced crash course for them.
Objectives: to introduce students to AutoCAD software effectively, to disseminate knowledge and skills that can be applied to AutoCAD, to share comprehensive skills that may be helpful and functional in the future, to give the students a preliminary crash course in terms of using different computer-aided drafting software. Purpose: many students who enter engineering or architecture in college have a difficult time in using AutoCAD as one of the core subjects. With the technological development of the world, traditional drafting is not enough to render prototypes that are part of finishing these courses. That is why as early as now, the researchers aim to enforce an AutoCAD tutorial because it is one of the fundamental skills needed to be obtained in order to survive engineering and architecture courses. AutoCAD has beneficial applications on engineering and architectural fields. According to Habib, AutoCAD introduces different architectural platforms that can be easily altered and also a great software for drafting rendering products, especially in the mechanical engineering fields. Preliminary literature review. Traditional drafting make use of pencil and paper that is prone to unnecessary mistakes and errors that are sometimes difficult to troubleshoot, especially if the work takes more than a week to finish. Although, this is where the real practice happens, that are significant to be professional. It is a comprehensive development to the engineering and architect industry that an electronically operated drafting platform is now widely accessible as it is less time-consuming because of easily operated features that avoid hassle in drafting. AutoCAD software is owned by Autodesk. It is readily available drafting software that lets you make prototypes that can be measured accurately and consumes less time, unlike the traditional drafting. According to Will Height, computer-aided design software lets you design a 2D and 3D drawings and models, replacing traditional pencil and paper to create blueprints with easily altered electronic files. This software aims to generate advanced project prototypes that enable professionals to manage different drafts and alter them with convenience. It also introduces different features by publishing different versions of the software.
Methodology. This study aims to learn the effectivity of AutoCAD to engineering and architect students. The researchers used a qualitative approach, using the descriptive form of research. Information gathered came from recent studies done by engineering and architectural professionals. Additional data were applied during the collection and processing of the gathered information. The study was based on the grounds of recent studies and research carried out by engineering and architectural professionals. In the validation of gathered data, the information accepted must only come from professionals who have studied the art of engineering and architecture.